Okay, so in this short demo, we cannot show you how Necto is embedded inside SharePoint. I won't focus too much on functionality, just the different ways to embed Necto inside SharePoint. So Necto can be embedded as a whole application. The entire Necto application is here inside a specific SharePoint page. We can embed the entire workboard, which is a dashboard of sort, or embed a specific component like a KPI or grid or a chart. Let's start by seeing how we embed the entire application. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our pages and open a new page. Let's call it Necto 2. Create. Now, to this page, we're going to insert a web part. Then you see different web parts. Let's offer, we have a Necto viewer web part. Click Add. And that's it. The important thing to remember is that this is a live application. All the functionalities which are available in Necto are available when Necto is inside SharePoint. Even more than that, there are additional features which are only existing when Necto is inside SharePoint. So again, you see here my workboards, my recent workboards, favorite workboards, relevant workboards, which are workboards which were created by other users. But Necto, because it has a contextual discovery engine, studies my preferences, my topics of interest, the people I discuss with my colleagues, and suggest relevant content to me. I can filter the content using the topic cloud. Maybe I want to see only data which is relevant to income statement or specific customer account, etc. Let's open an existing workboard. You can see, for example, that the borders are a bit too short. I'll show you later how we can change that and increase the borders. But you can see here a Necto workboard. You can see we have information here about a retailer and a wholesaler. The information is not really important. Again, all the functionalities are available. So, for example, I can slice and dice using the buttons, or if I want to create a more advanced analysis, I can maximize a specific grid. Let's say I want to investigate this grid, or maybe I want to see this in a grid form and investigate this one. So all the functionalities are available to me. And let's say I want to again maximize the grid here and maybe add a formula. So I can very quickly add a formula. For example, when I click formula here, I have the top 5 popular formulas recommended by Necto. I can go with a growth, for example. If I want to see more advanced formulas, I can just click edit and then go to the pane here to the left, which has more advanced options like showing me all the dimensions or adding more formulas such as sum, ratio, growth, time-based formula, year-to-date, quarter-to-date, percentage of parents, or use a free MDX editor to create formulas. What's also important noting is that all the collaboration functionalities that are available in Necto are available when Necto is inside SharePoint and are integrated within the SharePoint environment. So for example, if we want to have a discussion with Adam on a specific cell which I see a problem, I take Adam, I drag him, and place him on this cell, and discussion will turn on the left. So I can just write the discussion into Adam, and send across. All the discussions are also saved on my sites. They can be shared and viewed and access the workboards for my sites. If I go here to my sites, I can see all the recent discussions I had. You can see actually the discussion that I've just initiated with Adam or older discussions. For example, I can view discussion which was done with Effie Goldman, initiated by him. I can also open the exact workboard inside SharePoint that the discussion was made upon. And this is the workboard that Effie initiated the discussion on. There are several made afterwards, several before, but you can see the discussion Effie start with me and I can answer that discussion and continue. Let's go back to the page we created and start modifying it and show you how to embed just simple components. Okay, so this is the page we created before, Necto 2. Let's start and see how we can customize it and change it. All right, so let's go to page and then click edit. Now let's edit the web part. Now you'll see all the different functionalities we have when we edit a web part. So first of all, we can control if we are going to share the entire Necto application or just a specific dashboard page. So we can share just a specific dashboard page. In this case, let's share this one. Click apply. Click OK, and we can see the dashboard page. Okay, so now instead of the entire application, we have just one page, and we can keep on creating just pages with dashboard inside them. But we can do more than that. We can embed just a specific grid from this workboard. Let's go back and edit this page again, this web part. So let's this time choose just a specific view. Going to the same SharePoint folder, same dashboard page, but this time applying on a specific view we want to apply. Click OK. So now we have only embedded a single view inside a dashboard page, inside a SharePoint page. Of course, you can have multiple web parts, so each web part can be a different component. You can do two pages in two workboards in the same page, but that's just to give you an understanding of how Necto's embedment goes inside SharePoint. For a full demo, of course, you can always look at our website and see what stuff we can do. It's important to note we can put inside a Necto dashboard page, which is inside SharePoint, also reporting services, Power Pivot component, and other Microsoft BI components. This is helpful because if you put, for example, reporting services component inside Necto, when it's inside SharePoint, it will be part of the contextual discovery engine. So it will be recommended to people. You can have comments and have discussion on this reporting services or Excel services component.